Hello everybody, this is Olivia, and that, you can see her, is Maggie. Okay, and she is making Kraft dinner. So she just boiled the water, and we added the noodles, and that's what it looks like. Can't really get the camera to go there. You can see that. That's what it looks like. And the phone just rang. Okay, so we're just gonna be quiet. Okay, so this is the Kraft dinner cookie. I don't know if you can really see that. Okay, that's the box, kind of, sorta. That's the Kraft dinner. Okay, that's about it. And Maggie just got off the phone. And that is Maggie calling her father. So there you go, you can see that. She's waving! Or dancing. Or something. So let us know if you like our videos. We just do random videos. Cause it's fun.
Hi, Daddy.
And yeah, we'll listen to the conversation.
People from the eyes thing, the eye doctor, just called. Lucas has an appointment on Monday at 3:45 or 10 to 4 or something. I think it's 10 to 4.
Something or other. Okay. And this is just like a random vlog video, because vlog videos are fun. I don't know. Anyway, we're making food. Kraft dinner, you know. Just simple stuff.
Okay. Love you, bye.
And she stirs it. And that's Maggie screaming. So, we'll put the camera right here. And watch us stir Kraft dinner.
We're the team!
Okay.
Stop! Ah! Now you can watch this boiling pot kid.
Yeah, watch this boil.
Okay, that's us making Kraft dinner.
That's us making Kraft dinner.
Bye.